Tian-gang fist is one of the typical representatives of Wudang school. The fistic play is featured by the unique style of hand and step techniques, by the full concentration on mind and will, also by the skill and strategy with the weak defeating the strong, which is really out of thin air.
武当天罡拳是武当拳法中的代表性套路之一，特点是拳法自然、浑厚圆柔，主要是以意行气、以气运身、以小制大、以体为用，轻灵虚无，无中生有。 全凭心意用功夫，手法多变，步行低矮，形成了武当拳的独特风格。